What up, YouTube? This is your president, the Presidential Tourist, back with another food review, restaurant review video. I'm here at the Eagle Lake Diner in Eagle Lake, Florida. This place was recommended to me today. I ran someone that I was at this appointment with to check this place out. He said it's great food. And yeah, so, and I always like going to these good old-fashioned diners. You know what that means? Let's get to it. Yeah. Just show you the front of it. It looks like they have outdoor seating and indoor seating. Right there, they have some outdoor seating and some outdoor seating in that screen porch. And they have a buffet, free drink with purchase of buffet. Breakfast all day, daily specials, some cool garden gnomes. Looks awesome. All right, you know what that means. Let's get to it. Yeah.
Take those keys off.
Gravy? Any gravy?
They have a buffet that, but you only can come up once. It's $11.99. I decided to try it.
Your cornbread roll. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can I get that chicken right there, please?
Any gravy on your rice?
Yes, please.
Your cornbread roll.
Roll, please. Oh, yes.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Okay, that's good. All right, here's what Mom got. So basically, you get like one meat, one, and then I think three veggies or three additional things, which I got the mashed potatoes and gravy, macaroni, and rice with some gravy on it. It comes with a drink. Yeah, I thought it was like all you could eat, but no, it's only like the one time, which makes sense. But yeah, here it is. Looks really good. It's tempting on that hamburger, but maybe next time. But it really looks great. Everyone's been really nice here. So just let you know. How is it? Really tasty, huh?
It is so flavored.
Here's the table.
Yeah.
And there's lots of seating outside too. Just to let you know. If you go to that door right there, they have quite a bit of outdoor seating. So this is a pretty big place. They have a lot of specials. They have tables and booths. Delicious carrot cake. And these are fried green tomatoes. Mom asked for a couple extra and they brought them. Looks really good. I haven't had fried green tomatoes in forever either. Yeah, let me know, how are they?
Wait a minute.
Nice and fresh.
Hot. I can't eat it. Too hot.
You see the steam.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and fresh.
This is just right for fried.
How is it?
Oh. Too hot, too hot.
But delicious?
Yeah.
All right. Let this cool down, and Mom will try some more in a minute.
Yep.
Gotta be quick. There's no one in here. Just want to show you the bathrooms. Looks pretty clean. The lady was just cleaning it again. Oh, normally I don't like filming more than one style bathroom, so it'll be really quick. Well, they do have a urinal. It's in the handicap bathroom. Never seen that before. Usually separate. Just want to show it. The bathrooms are around that corner. So that's where the bathrooms are. Like I said, they also have outdoor seating. Now the front door is like right there. That's where the buffet is. You see it right when you come in. So I didn't really get a chance to film that room, so it's up there in front. You enjoying everything?
Oh, this is good. This is good. The fried stuff is just right. It's fresh. You can always tell if they've been used oil.
Yeah, everything's been great. I'll give a full report outside, but even the tea is really nice and fresh. And everyone here has been super nice.
Yes.
They've been giving us some extra fried green tomatoes. And I tried them, and I don't even like tomatoes, and I really like that.
I always get his tomatoes.
Yeah. So I'll get more of a report outside. All right, I just wanted to give a quick report. Everything there was great. Those green tomatoes, now, I normally do not like tomatoes. And those fried green tomatoes, I like. They were vinegary tasty, but they were so good. And they were so kind to give us some extras to have, which was really nice of them. They gave us a free dessert. That carrot cake was really moist. You could tell that was homemade. Really good. I liked it a lot. Very good, decent choices with the buffet. They change some of the buffet items every day, especially with regard to the meat options. But today I got the fried pork chops, and they were really good. I never quite had pork chops like that before, so I enjoyed it a lot. I hope I'm not too dark. The mashed potatoes and gravy, the rice. I tried some beans and okra. Everything was delicious. And everyone in there was super nice. The waitress we had was great. She was really on top of things. The place was very clean. You know, it was made like a typical diner, which is good. Diners like this I always like. I've never had a problem at a diner like this. And this place, I have no complaints whatsoever. The food, the atmosphere was very family friendly. Yeah, everything here I enjoyed. Nothing bad about this place can I say about it. So I definitely would recommend if you're in the Eagle Lake, Florida area, definitely like to come here and try this place. I do highly recommend it. And if there's any Facebook page, website that they might have, I'll make sure I put them below. Yeah, everything was great. If you have any comment questions, put them below. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't stopped at this place, but you've seen this video, make sure you let them know that the Presidential Tourist sent you. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everybody. Bye. Oh, you would think you'd go in that door, but they don't really want you going in that door. You got to go into that front door. Just want to let that you know, too. But they do have an okay, decent-sized parking lot.